Hello children. Hi everybody, hope you all are good. For FA1 here I am giving project and reflection questions. Okay. We know that for FA1 for formative assessment, for a formative assessment we need to write a slip test. For this slip test 5 marks and project work 5 marks and reflection 5 marks, reflection 5 marks and writing skills, for your writing skills 5 marks. Totally you will get 20 marks for the FA from these all. Okay, now I am going to give the project work questions. Okay, project work I am giving from 3rd chapter and 4th chapter. Okay, project work I am giving from 3rd chapter and 4th chapter. From the 3rd chapter polynomials, project work is given from the topic division algorithm. Okay, this is given as our project topic, division algorithm. Okay, as you know, division algorithm can be written as P of x is equals to Q of x into G of x into Q of x into G of x into Q of x plus R of x. Okay, G of x into Q of x plus R of x. This is called division algorithm. When P and G are two polynomials, we get Q and R as are such that satisfy this P of x is equal to Q of x into G of x into Q of x plus R of x. Okay, as we know the divisions, in our divisions we can write dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, this is called division algorithm. This way, if we have written the polynomials, that is called division algorithm. Okay, in page number 73, in your textbook, page number 73, you have the information about this division algorithm. Please study that and try to solve the question. Try to solve this. Divide the polynomial P of x. Divide the polynomial P of x by the polynomial Q of x. And find the quotient and remainder. Okay, this is our question. Here P of x and G of x are given. By doing the division, you have to find the Q of x and R of x. Okay, this is our question. I am giving here P of x is equals to x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3, and Z of x is equals to x square minus 2. Okay, find Q of x and R of x. Okay, no need to write this. First write division algorithm and write this question. Solve the problem. That's only project. Okay. And next write the question. And next from the fourth chapter, from the fourth chapter, from the fourth chapter, pair of linear equations in two variables. Pair of linear equations in two variables. In two variables. Here the topic given for the project is equations reducible to pair of linear equations. Equations reducible to pair of linear equations. Pair of linear equations. Okay, equations reducible to pair of linear equations. Okay, this is our project topic from exercise 4.3. From exercise 4.3. First you have to study the examples. Example 12, 13 and 14 you have to study before going to solve this. First you have to study the examples, then solve this problem. Solve this. Solve the, this is project second question. Second question for project. Solve the pair of equations. Solve the pair of equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equation. To a pair of linear equation. First to reduce the given equations into pair of linear equations, then solve them. Okay, this is project second question. And 10 by x plus y plus 2 by x minus y is equal to 4. 15 by x plus y minus 5 by x minus y is equals to minus 2. These two equations are given here. First, reduce these two equations into linear equations, then solve the two equations. Okay, from example 12, 13, 14, you can do this. Okay, please copy this question. Okay, is it clear, children? Is it clear? Projects, for project I am giving two. I have given two questions here. For projects I have given two questions from third chapter. From third chapter, division algorithm. Division algorithm. From the division algorithm, try to solve the problem. You have to study the examples, then you have to solve this. And fourth, from the fourth chapter, equations reducible to linear equations. Equations reducible to linear equations. Linear equations. These two are our project topics. Okay, write the project name as these two topics and you have to solve the given two questions. Okay, children. Now I am going to give reflection problems. Reflection. Okay, for reflection from 4 chapters. 1, 2, 3, 4 chapters. I am giving one problem. Okay, the topic what you have understood, you have to write here. First, reflection questions. These are reflection questions. Reflection. First question. Verify the theorem. Verify the theorem 1.6 for P equals to 2, P equal to 3, P equal to 5 and P equal to 7 for A square equal to 1, 4, 9, 25 and 36, 49, 64 and 81. Verify theorem 1.6. If P divides A, then P divides A square also. Okay, first we have to study the theorem, then solve this. And second question. What is the relation? What is the relation between n of A, n of B, n of A intersection B and n of A union B? Okay. First, write two sets. Write two sets. Write n of A, n of B, and find n of A intersection B, n of A union B also. What do you observe? Okay, what is the relation between these? Okay, that you have to write here. Next, third problem. Third problem. Page number 70. Page number 70. Do this. Page number 70. Do this. We have a table there. Complete the table. Complete the table. Okay. If the zeros are alpha, beta and gamma, complete the table. Find the zeros and find the sum, find the product of the zeros. And fourth question. Solve the given pair of equations. Solve the given pair of equations. Solve the given pair of equations. A minus B into x plus A plus B into y is equals to A square minus 2AB minus B square, A plus B into x plus y is equal to A square plus B square. Okay. First compare this with linear equation. Ax plus by is equal to c. Okay, first compare this with, then you can solve this. These four reflection questions. Okay, the first what I have given, the two are project, and these four you have to do in reflection.